Your GPSMAP 66 series navigator comes with pre-installed, easy-to-use apps that help you download direct-to-device BirdsEye satellite imagery and adventure routes from the Wikiloc community. We'll start with BirdsEye imagery, which gives you a high-resolution satellite depiction of your surroundings. Your GPSMAP 66 series device comes preloaded with BirdsEye service with no annual subscription fee. You'll need to find a Wi-Fi connection, so from the main page on your device, select the Setup icon, then Wi-Fi, then Add Network. You can also use a Bluetooth connection. If this is the first time you've downloaded imagery to your GPSMAP 66 series, you'll need to pair it to your mobile device running Garmin Connect Mobile. Enable Bluetooth connectivity by choosing Setup from your navigator's main menu, then selecting Bluetooth. With Garmin Connect Mobile, select and connect to your GPSMAP 66 series navigator. Go to the main menu of your GPSMAP 66 series navigator. Select the BirdsEye app. You'll see options to view satellite images you've already downloaded or access new imagery for your device. When you choose New Imagery, you can start from your current location or begin with waypoints, intersections, addresses, points of interest, and more. Choose Standard, High or Highest Resolution Detail, and specify the radius from your starting point. Note that increasing detail or radius will result in larger downloads. You'll have the option to save the image to your device or to its microSD memory card. Once you've chosen your imagery, your GPSMAP 66 series navigator will begin the download, and you'll be able to access your new imagery from the BirdsEye app page. Your GPSMAP 66 series navigator also makes it easy to find sightseeing routes and trails wherever you're going with the preloaded Wikiloc app. It's provided free for a 30-day introductory period, and you can extend your subscription for a small fee. To start, you'll need to download the Wikiloc app to your mobile device. You'll use this to search for routes and trails. You should also ensure your mobile device is paired to your GPSMAP 66 series. Choose your route with the app, or even from the Wikiloc web page, and select Send to Garmin. When you open the Connect IQ folder on your GPSMAP 66 series, you'll be prompted to download the trail you selected from the mobile app. You'll be ready to begin exploring shortly. Thanks for watching.